Okay guys, so today we're gonna be trying Roblox. And guys, this is a really nice game. So I'm gonna roleplay with my friend Clarissa. So since we're not gonna roleplay with her. I know she doesn't want me to roleplay with her. So we're gonna do just Brookhaven. Like why not? And guys, I'm also gonna be eating and talking, so please do not. And if you hate me, I don't mind because that, yeah. Okay. As you can see, my Roblox avatars are vacant right now, but if you change them, then I will change. Yeah, I will change.
Hoa trời nó kéo đôi bùi má. Không cho à? Không cho. Cái bộ phao chưa à?
So, so then we'll go see if we can talk to anyone. Maybe hold on about the
Đây.
That's
Bây giờ hẹn ai đi dập xuân. Đây.
Because we'll just go back to my school and just pull up. No, I'm not gonna pull up. Just go book a house. He's doing it on purpose. She's so lucky she's better. I'm gonna open this. Guys, that's it. Bye.